Good morning, guys. So today we're gonna go hiking. It's currently 6:10 in the morning, and we have this club that is free to hike. Basically, it's a community where you go different places to go hiking, and then you meet up at some point, and then you park your vehicles there, and then you start hiking, and then you somehow find that place back again in a different route hiking, and then that's where you go home. And today I got to go to work at 4 p.m, but I'm gonna go hiking before that, so it's kind of like risky, but I'm really excited. So I'm just gonna get ready, maybe just change my clothes, eat my breakfast, and then wash my face and do some bit of makeup. Does it sound good? It sounds fun to me. So yeah. Okay, so this is my inner like layer, and then I got this like jagger pants. My sister's is actually the owner of this thing, and then I'm just going to put this on top. Eating breakfast. We are having coffee and then some peanut butter toast situation, usual boiled eggs. Overnight oats. Okay, so I gotta do my makeup real quick. Of course, things like this happens when you're rushing. Need to go poop. We just woke up.
Sige, ako din. Kayo din, mag-hi din kayo dito. Wait lang, wala pa, di pa ako display.
Guys, we're here now. Where's Adina? Adina, come. Say hi. Some people trying to light cigarette, just don't light.
Maybe we should find
We're here in this park, so we're gonna meet up here, and then we're gonna start at 8:15. We're gonna start at 8:30. Yeah, someone smoking there. Ask
Or
me.
maybe they're just talking and there's not smoking.
Yeah, it is smoking.
You smoking?
So fun. You know, yesterday I went for a run like 20 minutes just to prepare my legs for this stuff. It's really nice. Oh my god.
This place before, you know?
Yeah, you know the environment that we're in all the time. It's always surekli cigarettes, right? Oops, careful.
My people don't always get down because you're missing them.
Yeah.
I think it's okay to put cotton down. You can hear the rain actually quite quiet.
You hear the rain dropping. That's why it was making that much sound, because it's raining. That's why it's a bit loud. It's eyes. It's eyes. You can see I'm already wet. Here. So I'm wet now from rain, because at first it was raining small ice, but now it's like wet now. So I don't know where Adina and Kimberly is, but we're in the front of the line, so I don't. Dito in front? It's not the front. Ah, that was the front. That is the front line. There we go. My sister's electrolytes that she made. It's got Himalayan salt and water, honey, and lemon. Wow, it tastes good. You can drink this when you're having cramps. Prevents you from having cramps, Mish. That's the rest of the group, right? And I don't think anyone's filming anymore because they're busy trying to finish the hike. I think I might finish this. Are we there? We got secret breaks from here. They don't whistle, but there's a secret break if you go in front of the line. So that's why we go in front of the line. That's the rest. They're still walking from there. So we're resting, they're walking, we're waiting for them. Once they get caught up, then we continue walking. Basically. Then we continue walking. So they don't have brakes at the back. But if you go in front, since they have like walkie-talkies and stuff, basically, I don't know, 3 people that is escorting the line of the hike, one in front, one in the middle, and then one at the last of the line to keep the line going. So if you're in front, you are going to most likely get the most breaks because you are going to walk in line, so you're pretty early, and then the one in the middle has to caught up to you. So while waiting for them, you can take maybe 2-3 minutes of break. So that's your advantage if you go in front of the line, which is pretty awesome to me. I don't know what my hair looks like right now, bro. But the 2 of my friends, I don't even know what happened to them. It was fine. Yeah, I liked it so much.
This is the first time, and I think this is the last time.
This is just an average trail.
For us was extreme.
We got lost, that's why.
I think our driver's waiting.
Let's ask him if it's or. İkimiz de eğlendik. Yağdı abi. Abi orada bak saçımıza bak. Islak. Why?
We're going home. That was so nice. I didn't eat anything though. No, I got biscuit. So we're hungry from hike. I'm gonna share this with my sister. Okay. Should I put this in the air fryer?